The trucks wait in long queues at a logistics terminal near Tehran. In Iran, the overwhelming bulk of freight is transported by road. Traffic jams are normal, especially around the Iranian capital. Its 18 million residents and the automobile industry, which is based here, have a huge appetite for raw materials. But Reza Shakeri, the head of the state-run railway for the Tehran region, says there's an alternative. He talks about the 11,000 kilometers of railway routes that cross Iran. About the same distance is under construction. Our goal is to be moving around 30% of all freight by rail. We're still a long way from that. At the moment, just over 10% is travelling by rail. If we're going to raise that, we have to improve all aspects of our infrastructure. In Aprin, just south of Tehran, the two most important railway lines in the Middle East cross each other. One runs from the port of Bandar Abbas on the Persian Gulf in the south to Azerbaijan in the north. The other runs east-west from Afghanistan to Iraq. The Swiss Transinvest Logistics Group wants to invest $30 million in the next 2.5 years to build the country's most modern freight hub, covering an area the size of 80 football fields.
We are planning to build a dry port here, like a container yard here for the full container and empty container. Most of the cargo is moving by trucks. Now we are planning to move the shipments by train especially from the Bandar Abbas to Tehran by train because it's more economical and it will be more faster.
To get long-distance freight moving faster at lower cost, Reza Shakeri sees rail as the only practical solution. But he says Iran needs European logistical experience to make this happen. That experience is being brought in by private investors. This kind of foreign private investment is a massive help. We welcome it and would like to see more of it. And we're trying to remove hurdles so that things can be done more quickly. Up till now, Aprin sees traffic of between 600 and 1,200 goods wagons a day. When the new freight terminal is completed, Shakeri is counting on many times that number.